parallel and layer nodes. Two of the important types of nodes you'll be dealing with are parallel and layer nodes. What's the difference? In order to add a parallel node, I will click on the second node here, number 2, and go to nodes and add a parallel node. Now, we have a new node here that's created under 2, which is node number 4, and we'll have a parallel combiner here. So basically the image that is coming out of this first node will be sent to this node and combined later in this node to go back to the final output. So I can actually control a part of the image in this node. This node will control the red parts of the image, and this node will control the rest of the image. So we have two nodes, each of them is controlling a different part of the image, and the parallel node is only combining the two different parts of the image into one node. Now, let's add a layer node. We're again selecting node number 2, we're going to nodes and add a layer node. It looks the same. We have node 2, node 4 combined here, but this is a layer mixer, not a combiner node. This is exactly like having two layers in After Effects or two layers in Photoshop on top of each other and changing the blend mode. So in the layer mixer, if I right click on the layer mixer, I have a new option here for composite mode, where I can actually treat these two layers as two different tracks and combine them together using a composite mode. So if I come here and I go to overlay, now I have the image from this node overlaid on the image of this node, which mimics layers in other softwares, and that is why it's called the layer node. Again, in the parallel node, we're only cutting the image into two different pieces and joining it again in a third node. For the layer node, the node that actually joins the two layers have composite options. So you can choose between multiply, screen, overlay, most of the composite modes that are available in other softwares.